Hey guys, Retired at 40, thanks for tuning in. Just a friendly reminder for you to start getting your seedlings ready for your garden. Spring is coming up quick and it's time to start getting planted. As you can see, I'm expanding my garden quite a bit this summer, and I'm not sure that I'll use all of them, but some of the stuff I'm doing for the first time this year, and I kind of want to just experiment a little bit with them. I've actually planted a couple seeds in here. This is my favorite thing to plant, and I'll do a video on it in the future, but if you want to know what it is, you're going to have to stay tuned to find out. Interestingly enough, while I was getting this ready, the UPS man stopped by, which I'm going to do a video on in the future, how to grow your own mushrooms at home. These are shiitake mushrooms, and I know you can get oyster mushrooms and things like that too, so stay tuned. This is Retired at 40, signing off. Remember to get those seeds in the ground, remember to live life simple, and we'll catch you next time.